Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today, I'll be teaching you about the parallel connection of inductors. Now, when inductors are connected parallel to each other, that means they are placed side by side or they are connected side by side as this. And hence, the current through each inductor will be different, but the voltage across them will be the same. The voltage across them will be the same. So, the different current is illustrated by I1, I2, I3, and IN. This I, when this current enters this point, this junction, a portion of the current will enter this inductor, that is I1, and that portion will enter this one, and that portion will enter this one, and that portion will enter this one. But the voltage across all of them is always the same when inductors are connected parallel. Hence, the equivalent inductance of all the inductors connected in parallel is given by this formula. 1 over equivalent inductance equals 1 over L1 plus 1 over L2 plus 1 over Ln. So any number of inductors connected in parallel, you can use this formula to find the equivalent inductance for n inductors in parallel, connected in parallel. So this is the formula you use. Any number of inductors, even they are 20, 100, when they are connected in parallel, this is the formula to be 1 over Ln, to be 1 over L1 plus 1 over L2 plus 1 over L3 plus 1 over L4, going till the number is reached. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.